I'm so excited to share this video with you guys, mostly because the buzz around YouTube right now is that the typical highly edited videos that we're so used to seeing are not the big approach now. People are going for a minimalistic approach when it comes to videos. You can see I'm in my kitchen right now. There's nothing fancy about this. And then basically it's unscripted. So when you start having videos that are unscripted, it seems a bit real. It's authentic. You're talking to the person on the other end. And so when you're trying to get your message across, no matter what the niche is, this is a great way to do it. Now, you could be outside, you could be in your car, or you could be, in this case here, I'm in the kitchen. So when you're approaching YouTube videos, the big buzz now is keep it very simple, keep it minimalistic. Again, unscripted, unedited, just raw footage. And if you're trying to get out there more and monetize your YouTube channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos in the description box that will lead you to building up your first, couple hundred, 300 subs, maybe 400 subs. But the big part is this: at the end of the day, no matter what your channel is about, you have to make sure there's an audience that's interested in it. Because let's face it, if you're making content nobody's interested in, nobody's going to watch. I did learn this quite a long time ago because I do have a channel that's got over 30,000 subscribers, that your how-to videos are some of the most searched type of videos on YouTube. So if you're into sewing, if you're into karate, if you're into print on demand, whatever that may be, try to focus on some how-to videos to really up the ante when it comes to getting more views on your YouTube channel. Now, if your goal is just to monetize the channel, you still have to have, again, some sort of approach to it. You can't just go into this and say, all right, I'm gonna make vlogs, and then one day you've done 20 vlogs, and the next minute now you're talking about how to do certain recipes. I mean, make it your own, obviously. And I've been guilty of putting videos in certain channels that maybe didn't quite go along with it. But the point is this: try to keep it niche specific. Try to keep it niche specific. By doing that, you'll have a better approach, and more people will generally tune in and watch longer. Remember, your watch time is really important. So that average view duration, huge. The minute that those people cut out and they leave your channel and they go somewhere else, YouTube says, all right, they're not really watching this video, next. So your average view duration is super important. Of course, your subscribers are important, but that average view duration is huge. Again, I'm here if you guys have any questions. I've been in the YouTube space for many, many years now. So this is one of my channels. This channel doesn't do very well, but this is just more of a promotional type channel when it comes to certain things, like certain products I'm promoting. So, and that being said, if you're interested in side hustles, which that's what this channel is all about, YouTube is obviously one of them. Print on demand is one of them. But the one I really promote is doing product reviews for Amazon. I've been doing that for a while now. It's about the best side hustle I've done. Product reviews for Amazon. If you're interested, let me know, and stop by the description box where you can find out more videos about YouTube and stuff like that. See? It wasn't scripted. So you may make mistakes here and there. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.